Many nations consider aircraft carriers to be a point of pride, a symbol of their great power status. South Korea, however, faces very immediate security challenges, and many question whether an aircraft carrier, let alone a light aircraft carrier, can meet those challenges. The SVX, a twin-island flat top that can carry roughly 20 fixed-wing aircraft, will be at the heart of the ROKIN's plans for strategic mobile fleet for blue water operations, improving its ability to project air power far from South Korean shores. The SVX is expected to cost $2 billion to construct and around $45 million per year to maintain. It will be 265 meters in length, 43 meters in width, and have a light and maximum displacement of around 30,000 tons and 40,000 tons respectively. The ship will be capable of operating 16 F-35B fighters as well as 8 helicopters. It will also feature a high degree of automation and have a complement of 440 crew, including the air element. The aircraft will have 2 islands, similar to the Royal Navy's Queen Elizabeth class, but lacks a skyjump. SVX will be equipped with ISA radar being designed by Hanwha for the integrated mast on the KDDX destroyer. The S-band radar will have a range of 300 kilometers for long-range detection of aircraft, while the X-band radar will be used for short-range detection. The carrier will also feature Next One's torpedo acoustic countermeasure, Haegung surface-to-air missile system, known as KSAAM, and close-in weapon systems SIWS for-point defense. Also, there was a statement in which was said that the British could be involved in the project. One possible area of cooperation is heat-resistant materials, which will be especially important for operating the F-35B. The ROKIN has little expertise in this regard, given that neither of its Duku-class ships are capable of operating fixed-wing aircraft. In addition to this, some hope that British experience with early warning helicopters will help ROKIN develop its own operational doctrine that utilizes maritime early warning aircraft. Critics still point out, however, that early warning helicopters are less effective than fixed aircraft. But how will SVX will be of use for South Korea, or basically what are the reasons for its development? The SVX will be the flagship of ROKIN and will be centerpiece of its blue water fleet. The ROKIN expects the ships to protect South Korean lines of communication, provide deterrence against North Korea. The SVX is also a response to Korea's great power neighbors. Both China and Japan plan on acquiring multiple aircraft carriers. It is hoped that SVX will deter both powers. Moreover, the SVX will also be capable of serving as a landing helicopter dock, deploying forces ashore during landing operations. It will augment the South Korea's amphibious assault fleet, which consists of 2 Duku-class assault ships, 4 Go-Jang-bang-class LSTs, and 4 Chegon-Wang-bang-class LSTs. Some even speculate that SVX will serve as a stepping stone for a larger carrier in the future. It is hoped that once the ROKIN has gained enough operational experience from operating the SVX, it will become capable of operating supercarriers. Lastly, proponents of the program claim that the SVX will provide South Korea with a conventional second strike capability. They claim that Korean airfields are vulnerable to a first strike by North Korean air forces. For them, nightmare scenario is a barrage of missiles crippling the entire Republic of Korea Air Force before its fighters even can take off. Operating the F-35B from SVX would preclude this possibility. Please subscribe and turn the notification on for further content and to stay tuned. Thanks for watching everyone.